Hi folks, it's Björn here, and the crypto market is going crazy. And if you are thinking about to invest in crypto and you don't know in which coin you should invest, so if it should be Bitcoin or some altcoins like DOGECOIN or Ethereum or CARDANO, and you're still having doubts or you simply want to know predictions for the future, then I recommend to watch the video until the end. And we are not making the decision alone. Today we are using the Ark-Invest study Big Ideas 2021 on the disruptive technologies for the coming years. But with further ado, let's get started. On first, we have to understand that Bitcoin is more or less the leading coin. Means that if Bitcoin goes up, normally all the other altcoins go up as well, and vice versa. The only exceptions are if Wall Street bets or other rumors like Elon's tweet about DOGECOIN, for example, influence a coin. And there's a phenomenon which exactly describes it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So check it out on Google. And as Bitcoin's price hit an all-time high on April the 15th with the price of $63,314 US, Ark's research indicated that its new network fundamentals remained healthy. And on the slide you can see what happened the last year with the price. So based on search volumes compared to 2017, Bitcoin's price increase seems to be driven less by hype. Bitcoin's search interest is low relative to the increase in its price. As its price neared all-time heights, Bitcoin's Google search interest was at 15% of its all-time high. Another and important fact is that cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and as well the altcoins are currently less volatile than the stock market. Ark states that as of November 2020, roughly 60% of Bitcoin's supply had not moved in more than a year. A testament to the market's longer-term focus and a holder base with stronger conviction. So overall the investors are holding long, and that is what I recommend as well. But if you want to buy the dips and sell it after with profit, or better buy the rumors and sell the news, there is nothing against it. If you need the cash for making your current situation better or just enjoying your life right now. But I am more a long-term investor, and currently the most people are. As we can see on the slide, early investors were taking profits or were cashing out, while newer investors like me are establishing positions and creating higher price support levels. Bitcoin's increasing acceptance has set the stage for Ethereum and a new wave of financial experimentation. Ark believes that decentralized finance, DeFi, has been a positive catalyst for the increased adoption of the Ethereum's network. By leveraging Ether as a trust-minimized collateral, market participants can disintermediate traditional financial companies and access financial services like credit and lending, market making, trading, custody, investing, and access to synthetic US dollar exposure. And therefore I think ADA has as well a huge potential. With Bitcoin appearing to gain more trust, some companies like Square and MicroStrategy are considering it as a cash on their balance sheets and are showing the way for public companies to deploy Bitcoin as a legitimate alternative to cash. And if all S&P 500 companies were to allocate 1% of their cash to Bitcoin, Ark estimates that its price would increase by approximately $40,000. Hence, add 40k to the current price. Ark believes Bitcoin rapid growth has positioned it for an allocation in investment portfolios, and their analysis suggests it could scale from roughly 500 billion to 1 to 5 trillion in network capitalization during the next 5 to 10 years. So, capital allocators should consider the opportunity cost of ignoring Bitcoin as part of a new asset class. And as we can see on the slide, they are untethered from the traditional rules and regulations and generally uncorrelated to the behavior of other asset classes. Bitcoin seems to have earned a strategic allocation in well-diversified portfolios. During the past decade, Bitcoin is the only major asset with consistently low correlations to traditional asset classes. Based on daily returns across asset classes during the past 10 years, Ark analysis suggests that allocations to Bitcoin should range from 2.55% when minimizing volatility to 6.55% when maximizing returns. Ark ran as well a Monte Carlo simulation of 1 million portfolios composed of various asset classes. As shown in the chart, the efficient frontier captures the highest returns possible for a given level of volatility. The stars indicate allocations associated with the maximum Sharpe ratio and minimum volatility. Based on Ark simulated portfolio allocations, institutional allocations between 2.5 and 6.5% could impact Bitcoin's price by $200,000 to $500,000 US. And remember, we are not only talking about Bitcoin here. As I mentioned, I believe, or the past shows, that when Bitcoin rises, normally the altcoins rises as well. Ark as well estimates that Bitcoin's daily trading volume could exceed the volume of the US equity market in fewer than 4 years, and the volume of the global FX spot market in fewer than 6 years. So, there you have it, guys. If you don't want to live under the rock, consider to invest in Bitcoin and go. But next to Bitcoin, in what you should invest? Well, I cannot tell you what to do. I just can tell you how I did it and what was my approach here. But first, if you do not have yet an account on a platform to buy crypto, I recommend to check out Binance, and for me the best so far is actually BlockFi. Then there you can buy Bitcoin and then earn interest with your coins in a simple way. And if you use the link in the description, you can receive up to $250 worth in coin. But Binance on the other side has a bigger variety on coins to buy. And if you want, you can as well transfer some coins from Binance to BlockFi later on in a really easy way. And for Binance, you can find the link as well in the description box below, where you can have 5% of discount. But with that out of the way, and let's assume you have already set up an account, what to buy? Well, for me it's the 60-40 rule here. So I invested 60% in Bitcoin and 40% in altcoins. And the 40% I split it in 20% in Ethereum and 20% in ADA, or better known as Cardano, as these two have for me the biggest potentials. But I believe that other coins have as well potential, as you can describe each coin like it's a different type of credit card, but they are all useful. But as I am a rational investor and I don't like risks so much, I don't invest in DOGECOIN currently, as there is too much rumor going on with Elon saying it's a scam, but on the other side a company who wants to send a satellite next year with SpaceX to the orbit, they paid Elon with DOGECOIN. So, but if you want to bet on DOGECOIN, I wish you all the luck in the world. But before watching another video, let me know in the comments which coins you think will profit and what you think where the market will be in the next years. That's it for today. I hope you liked the vid, and if so, kindly give it a thumbs up, as this would help my channel a lot, or maybe even consider subscribing so you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, stay focused and don't get greedy. See you all next time.